Hey there, how is it going? I'm finally getting around to doing this video. A little long overdue, but I finally want to make a video going over the exhaust here, the factory exhaust on the high performance pack HPP EcoBoost Mustang, and I want to make this the most comprehensive exhaust video on YouTube with this car. So in this video, I'm going to go through as many different variables as I can to showcase the sound of the exhaust. I'm going to do every different mode. I'm going to do quiet, normal, track, and drag strip mode. I'm going to load up the engine differently. I'm going to do revs in every mode. I'm going to do drive-bys in every mode, part throttle, half throttle, full throttle, all of that. So it's going to be the most comprehensive video on YouTube showcasing the factory exhaust system here on these HPP Mustangs. So without me blabbing anymore, let's start the video. there you have it. The most comprehensive and complete exhaust video on YouTube with the factory exhaust on the 2020 and up high performance pack EcoBoost Mustang. So what do you think? What's your favorite exhaust mode? Probably mine. I think overall it's just going to be track, straight through the muffler. Not as much tone in track mode. Normal actually has the best tone of them all because it is routing some of it through the muffler. But, you know, they have all the volume, and, you know, just the whole car breathes better when the valves are completely open. So, you know, track mode is probably my favorite with the factory exhaust. So there is that. But that's going to be it for this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with everyone you know. If you want to see more content like this and you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Keep a lookout for the next true car enthusiast video.